So damn, I'm getting flu, guys. So just packaging. This is the PC right here. We're sending it back for them to like fix it. It has a problem. So yeah, I don't know how to package. So bear with me. I just got the bubble wrap and wrap it around the PC. We have the monitor on the bed. Sorry, my room is like a mess right now. So I was testing it out if it's still turning on before I actually send it back. So yeah, it turns on. So guys, I was trying to package it in one box, but I couldn't package in one box. I had two boxes, and sorry about the audio in this video. That's because I was sick. Go look for some tape to actually tape this. Well guys, here's the PC. I just packaged it with a tape. I don't know how to package, guys. I don't know. I just like cover it, you know. So yeah guys, they coming up to put this thing up today, so we'll see, okay. They're gonna package this up and they're gonna fix like the PC, because I think it had a what you call you could do a corrupted driver. Yeah, so we got I couldn't feed both of them in the same thing, so because if I feed both of them, it was gonna like cause damages and stuff for the screen. So I told them I don't want this screen anymore. This screen, I wanted a 1080p, and they gave me a 16 by 50, and I told them nah, I don't want this screen anymore too. So yeah, this is like a 2-for-1. So both of them are like going right now, right? And I don't want to make these two videos like big. I'm probably gonna show you guys when the PC gets back, and we're gonna fix anything. And hopefully, I pray, bro. I pray to God for everything to go good, so we can like get a graphics card and get other things, bro. I pray. I still praying, and yeah.
3 weeks later.
So yeah guys, I was busy like editing the 1 gig video. This thing just arrived again. Got it repaired again. We got a monitor thing, and this shit smells nice too. This shit smells nice. Now we got it. Bro, why did I put a spray on these? Yeah, definitely like a spray on this. So we got this now. Put this here. That's the PC. So we're gonna move like the PC. I'm trying to make not to make this video long. So we just plugged like everything, guys.